Hey guys, so for today's video, I'll be showing you how I make roses with these ribbons, with a scissor, a glue gun with a glue stick in it, and yeah, I've been using this for about a year now. And here I have my petals, the one I made earlier. So these are peach colored, and I also have like light pink, and then we have the red one. These are the only reds that I have right now, so yeah, I don't have any more red available for Valentine's Day. Now I'm gonna make petals with red, with the remaining red ribbons that I have. So I will just fast forward. So guys, for this video, I'm just gonna make flower petals, just so you know. I'm not gonna make the actual flowers just yet because I am like waiting for my new stocks to come in. I still have more materials coming in and I need them to make the flowers. So just to share with you, I've actually waited for my stocks to come in for like about 2 weeks already, and it should have been here by now because it says that it's already in my city, but the delivery service isn't like working on it or anything like that. So yeah, I'm currently just waiting for it to get delivered. So I'll be making flower petals until those stocks get delivered to me before I like start making flowers, because I don't think the materials I have right now will like make it through to making all the flowers. So I'll just stick to making petals. So here I've just done making some of the petals, and now I'm writing down what else I'm gonna do after this, and also the ones that I've watched. So just so you know, I'm watching and making petals at the same time. So what I'm watching is a YouTube video that like tells me what to do, or like those things that you're gonna do in making a YouTube channel, because I really want to focus on my YouTube channel right now. So yeah, I've been writing down everything that I want to share with you guys on this channel. So I'll also be sharing with you guys how I make my flowers and then turn them into bouquets. Also, I'll also be sharing my experiences in small business, because I've been into like starting small business, selling these and that for since 2021 or 2020, I guess, somewhere between that. And yeah, I just want to share with you how I earned money, but not like all throughout, if you know what I mean. So I'll be sharing that, and I hope you guys would also support me by subscribing and liking this video, or leaving comment below on how or what you want me to make next for my next uploads. So I'll be seeing you guys soon on my next upload. So please don't forget to subscribe so you can support me in making this channel and in making more videos in the long run. That's it for today, guys. See you on the next one. Bye!